Today after work, my wife and I are touring 5 apartments on the Upper West Side. Our budget is $4,500 to $5,500, and I'm going to show you everything, including prices and the pros and cons of each apartment. All right, let's get straight into the first apartment. What do you think?
It's pretty good. What are you ranking out of?
I think it's like an 8 out of 10 for a one bedroom.
Yeah, it's a good price.
I like the view a lot.
You like the view?
I feel like the setup is not cramped like some of the other one bedrooms that we saw.
No overhead lights. Living room. Big kitchen.
Yeah. I like the view. I actually like the city view a lot. Yeah, it's a good option.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Off-putting. I give it like a 6.
Yeah, it's kind of a weird layout with this.
Even though there's 2 bedrooms, it still feels smaller than the one upstairs.
Yeah, it's a weird layout with the living room here, and then it just feels small.
Yeah. Pass.
Yep. All right, now I'm gonna zoom through a quick tour of this building's amenities. What do you think?
4.
4?
4 or 5.
That's harsh.
I really can't tolerate the cars going back and forth.
Yeah.
It makes me nauseous and it's loud.
I don't know if you could hear it in the video, but the cars are actually pretty loud.
Very.
And I'm assuming, so this is the West Side Highway. It's gonna be crowded and noisy all the time. So if it was higher up, that would be nice. So it was getting late and we weren't able to see this apartment since it was past their viewing hours. I had to come back the next day during my lunch break to check this one out. I was by myself and I didn't have my usual camera. After looking at apartments, we decided to check out the park across the street. It had great views of the river and I can imagine it being really nice in the summertime. Next week we're checking out other neighborhoods in the city, so stay tuned for that.